Good morning everyone, there's Brody over there, and what we're just going to do now is just a quick video on this laminating machine. My electrician gave it to me. It's already been looked at by him, and we're just going to strip it and see what's inside. Alright, right to go Brody? Let's have a go. Have that one there. You start doing some on that side, you can see some. I'll try and find another screwdriver, and we'll just quickly take all this out. A lot of them are loose, and we'll just see what's inside here.
Can't get this one out.
There we go.
These ones are going to come out.
They're not going to come out. Try that one. These ones here. Yeah, I haven't pulled one of these apart before, but we'll just quickly have a look, see what we can scavenge out of it to take to recyclers. Oh, there's another one up there, look. Okay. Can you get that out? Try it with that one there. There we go.
There we go.
You got it?
Yep. Yep.
Okay, I'm not sure. It might be just about all there. There we go now. Good?
Good.
And a bit of a trouble there.
Yes, it is right. Oh.
Loose? Okay, there we go. Righto. Alright, let's try and get that back off then.
Get that off.
Is it going to come off now? Oh, something's holding it. What's that? Oh, there we go. Oh. There we go. Righto. Now, before we start doing that, I'll just take a little bit a look inside there, and it's pretty basic. A motor, a roller, bit of wire, small circuit board.
Yeah, right here as well.
And you got a little circuit board in there as well.
Yeah.
Right then, if you want to just snip the wires for us, and straighten this up again. Just get my snips as well, so we'll get this done pretty quick. I actually just screw that up. Take that off.
There's a couple more here as well.
Okay, one here. I'd say you're not going to make very much money out of scrapping one of these. It's probably not worth your while. There's hardly any wires in it. Certainly nothing in here for gold recovery or anything. Don't know how that actually comes out of there. It might just sit in right here. Yeah, it does. Look at that.
That's where
There's the snips.
that's where it gets laminated.
Let's cut these wires there.
Got this off. So then here's the little circuit board.
Righto, now let's have a look. How we going there?
Good.
Good? Righto. Just pull these out like that. Okay, there we go. Brody's working away there. He's going to get that circuit board out, a little bit of wire.
Yeah.
And a scrap wire there. Another circuit board in here.
Yeah.
And what I just noticed is a big roller inside there. I don't know if we can get in there and have a look at that. So I just wonder what it's made out of. So what we'll do, we'll just pause the video here, and it looks like copper in there. But we'll pause the video and we'll just have a quick look and come back to you. Alright, we're all finished now. We've pulled it all apart, haven't we, mate?
Yes.
Righto, here we have just a whole heap of plastic.
Yes.
And let's just have a look what we got out of it. We got some wire. What else do we get?
Some circuit boards.
Circuit boards. They're all the screws.
Yes.
Just have a look how many screws were inside the laminator. Unbelievable. Little power supply.
Yes.
Some cogs.
Yeah.
Little connectors. Now these are the two rollers, and we can see why it was thrown out. It's all been, someone's got laminating paper stuck inside it. So that's had it, but they're steel with rubber rings on it.
Yeah.
There we have the heating elements.
Yeah.
Some insulation, which is non-metallic, of course. That there, that's about our only pieces of aluminium in the whole thing, and a couple of pieces of steel. So there you have it. There's not much inside a laminator.
And there's some of this stuff.
And that's just more plastic waste. So basically the only and I will mention too, on these circuit boards, there's absolutely nothing here for anyone to get any gold recovery. Very, very basic. You've got a tiny little bit of wire and some aluminium, and we've probably got a bit of copper inside there.
Yeah.
So that's basically it. So is it worth your while stripping?
No.
It's not worth it? No?
No.
Alright then.
Thanks for watching. Have a good day.